Choice versus chance. Which one shapes your success? Some people say success is all about luck, and others say it's all about hard work. So which one is it? Are successful bookkeepers just lucky, or do they make their own luck? I'm here to tell you it is not random, and it's not just about working harder either. The secret is choice, but only if you're prepared for opportunity. Let's break that down. Have you ever looked at another bookkeeper, maybe your top competitor, and thought, how the hell did they land those clients? Dream clients. Or why do they have free time while I'm drowning over here? Was it luck? Maybe. But here's what most people miss. Chance only matters if you're ready to seize it. Let's look at two bookkeepers. One is waiting for opportunities, hoping clients find them, undercharging, doing everything manually. The other is making intentional choices, investing in marketing, optimizing workflows, and positioning for growth. So when opportunity knocks, who's ready to open the door? The Stoics had a rule: control what you can, ignore what you can't. They knew that life is unpredictable, but they also knew that preparation turns luck into success. Because you can't control luck, but you can control how you show up every single day, how you price and position yourself, and how well you prepare for success before it arrives. Seneca, a famous Stoic philosopher, said, "Luck is what happens when preparation meets opportunity." In other words, you don't sit around and wait for luck. You prepare for it, so that when the right opportunity comes, you are ready to grab it. So what does this mean for your bookkeeping business? It means if you're waiting for high-paying clients instead of learning how to attract them, you're leaving success up to chance. If you're stuck in busy work instead of automating and scaling, you are choosing to stay small. If you're underpricing your services because you're afraid to charge more, you're choosing to undervalue yourself. Success is not about luck. It's about choosing to prepare so that when the right moment arrives, you don't hesitate. You take it. So here's my challenge to you. Drop a comment below and tell me what's one choice you'll make today to set yourself up for success. Pricing, marketing, automation. Don't leave any of it to chance. You have to take action and take it today. If you found this helpful, please hit like and subscribe and turn on your notifications, because success isn't random and neither is growth. And if you've got an extra 4 minutes, we've got an extra episode. Join us for How Do I Know If I'm Ready? When to Hire and What to Delegate, coming up next.